In this video, we'll be showing how to replace the cabin air filter on your Mercedes. This video covers E320, E350, and E500 W211 Mercedes models. It also applies to the CLS and other models from 2003 to 2012. After you open the hood, locate the cabin air filter on the right side of the vehicle. You'll need a 10mm socket and extension. Unscrew the plastic bolt. Lift up to remove the filter. Compare the old and new filter. To remove, pry the filter away from the top tab and pull down, then lift away. To replace, insert into the bottom, then pry the top tab and press the filter in. Check to make sure all edges are evenly seated. Take note of the tabs on top of the air inlet. Each tab will align with a hole on the filter assembly. Align the holes with the tabs and lower into place. Screw in the 10mm plastic bolt and don't over tighten. Enjoy the fresh air of your new cabin air filter